Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you in configuring and using custom form fields in BoldSign. The custom form fields feature enables account administrators to customize the standard form fields to their needs and save these customized form fields for future use. This eliminates the necessity of creating form fields from scratch each time, streamlining the process and ensuring consistency. Let's assume a scenario where I am an HR lead. My HR associates need to send documents like job application forms to employees, and the documents they use contain recurring fields. To avoid confusion and make the recurring fields consistent, I have decided to establish patterns by creating custom form fields for these repetitive fields. This will streamline the process and save time while creating signature requests. I first navigate to the BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose the branding option to navigate to the Manage Brand page. Whenever a team member uses this CubeFlakes brand, they will be able to access the custom form fields I'm going to create. I click the context menu and select the Edit Brand option to access the Edit Brand page. I navigate to the Advanced section and scroll down to Custom Form Fields. The first option is Allow users to view standard form fields. By default, this option is enabled. It cannot be turned off unless the administrator has configured and shared custom form fields. The second option is Allow users to create custom form fields. This feature allows users within the organization to create custom form fields. These custom fields will not be visible to other users in the organization. The last option is Allow users to view shared custom form fields. By default, this option is disabled. It can be enabled only after configuring a custom form field. This feature allows you to share custom form fields with users within the organization. To configure and share custom form fields with my HR team members, I click the Configure Custom Form Fields button to navigate to the Custom Field Designer page. This is where I'll create the custom form fields for phone numbers and job roles using the standard form fields. The standard form fields are available on the left side of the screen. To create a custom field for phone numbers, I drag and drop a text box field onto the page. I access the text box settings section on the right side of the screen. By default, this field is marked as required, and I leave it as it is. I enter phone number as the hint text. In the font section, I can increase the font size for better visibility of the text. Next, I choose the regex option from the drop-down menu in the validation section. I enter the regex value here. This validates 3 groups of digits separated by hyphens. I enter the corresponding description as please enter your phone number in this format. I click the Save as Custom Field button. A dialog box opens asking for the field title and description. To help my team understand the use of this field, I enter phone number as the field title. The description field is optional. Then, I click the Save button to save my changes. I click Confirm in the confirmation pop-up to publish the custom field. The phone number field is now shown as a shared field in the Custom Field section. To create a custom field for job roles, I drag and drop a drop-down field onto the page. I access the drop-down settings section on the right side of the screen. By default, this field is marked as required, and I leave it as it is. I enter job role specification as the hint text. I then add tester, software developer, and business analyst in the drop-down options section. I can change the position of these options using the handle icon and delete any option if necessary. I can also set any option as the default. In the font section, I can change the font and font size if needed. I can also make the text bold, underline, or italic or change the color of the font by clicking the color dropdown. I'm using black here. To save this field as a custom form field, I follow the same procedure I did for the last field. I can include new job role specifications, or if existing roles are no longer needed and new roles are required, I can delete the existing roles and add new ones. After making changes, I can update them by clicking the Update Custom Form Field button and then publish the updated fields. I can edit the custom fields by clicking the Edit icon. Then, to grant my team the ability to use the shared custom fields, I navigate back to the Custom Form Fields section and enable that Allow Users to View Shared Custom Form Field option. Now, people in my organization can make use of these custom fields when selecting this brand. Now, let's see how to use the custom form fields. I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload the job application form in the Add Files section. Next, I add the applicant's details in the Add Recipient section. Then, I scroll down to the document settings and select CubeFlakes as the brand. I click Next to navigate to the Configure Field page. As I have selected the CubeFlakes brand, I can see the shared custom fields here. First, I drag and drop the name and email fields from the standard section. Then I drag and drop the phone number and job role fields from the custom form fields. Now I can easily create signature requests with these fields without configuring the settings them for each time. Next, I'll drag and drop an attachment field from the standard section for attaching a resume. Finally, I'll drag and drop a signature field and send the document out for signing. That's all for configuring and using custom form fields in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.